In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Dollar Tree password. Let's get started. First, launch your Dollar Tree app. Click on this option of Sign In. Now click on the option Login. Once you're in the login page, click on this option Reset Password. With that, you'll be directed to its official site. Now click on three bars, go to the option Account. Now click on Forgot Your Password. Now go ahead and type in the email address that is linked with your account and click on Submit. Now you will be receiving mail in your email address. Check your mail, launch the mail from Dollar Tree, then click on Update Your Password. Go ahead and type in the new password. Confirm your new password. Make sure your password fulfill all the requirements. After you type in that, click on Save Changes. With that, your password has been reset. Now you can navigate to the login page. Type in your email address and the new password. Click on Login, and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily reset your Dollar Tree account's password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.